What is up guys, CentraTech here, and today I'm bringing you guys in the unboxing of the Macbook Air 2019 and 2020. Now before the video starts, I would really appreciate if you guys could give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe if you're new. Make sure you hit that bell notification so you guys don't miss any future uploads. Now starting off with the box, on the back side, you guys can see we have the specifications of the MacBook. So it comes with the dual-core Intel Core i5, 8GB of RAM, 128GB of storage, and Intel UHD graphics 617. And that GPU is a bit weaker compared to the Surface Pro's Intel UHD graphics 620, but we're gonna do a comparison of that in a future upload. Now it comes with two Thunderbolt 3 ports, USB-C, headphone jack, and the good thing about the base model MacBook models right now is that they all come with Touch ID, so that's a huge advantage. And it has a backlit keyboard. Now it does come with the butterfly keyboard, but we're gonna review that in a future upload, a full review. And also it comes with the 30-watt power adapter. Now unboxing it for you guys. Let's pull off this. Beautiful boxing. So taking off the lid, it's stuck. There it is, the beautiful MacBook. Now setting that aside for later, inside we have the USB-C to USB-C charging cable. This is 2 meters. Over here, designed by Apple in California. Inside we have our instructions manual, all of that, and the space gray Apple stickers. We're glad Apple chose color the stickers the same color as the MacBook. And now over here, you guys have your 30-watt charging bricks. So I'm gonna set this up for you guys, and I'll be right back. Now taking a look at the MacBook itself, let's pull this off. Amazing packaging by Apple here. Beautiful Apple logo. And you could lift the screen with one hand. Now over here, if I just pull this off, as you guys can see, it turned on. Now I'm gonna set this up for you guys and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back and I set up the MacBook. The setup didn't take that long. It only took about 5 minutes. And it's actually really fast. Since it is a dual core, but I've been noticing that around the top of the function keys, it does feel a bit hot, and some of the function keys itself, but I'm not sure why that is. I think it only relates to MacBook Airs though, and the trackpad is simply one of the best. So to right click, you guys just press down with 2 fingers, and as you guys can see on a screen right there, you right clicked, so you could just right click from anywhere, even right here, as you guys can see right now. Now the keyboard is actually pretty comfortable. So I've been typing with this keyboard for about an hour now, and I've gotten used to it. I haven't noticed any issues with it, and it's really comfortable, to be honest. I prefer this keyboard over my Surface Pro 6 type cover keyboard. This does have less travel, but I feel like I could type faster on it, and over time my hands do kind of get tired, but at the beginning it's really good. Now another huge advantage of all MacBooks is that they come with Touch ID. So with the addition of Touch ID, I could unlock my computer with Touch ID, purchase apps, and even pay, like on Amazon, I could just pay with Touch ID using Apple Pay. It's really quick. Now I could also use my Apple Watch to unlock this MacBook, which is also another really great feature. Now I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I would really appreciate if you guys could subscribe and hit that notification bell so you guys don't miss any future uploads, and comment if you had any questions or suggestions. Thank you and goodbye.